Hello friends! Today we are gonna learn about the car truck. There are lots of cars inside the truck, you see? There are different kinds of cars, which are being carried by this truck. Look, it's coming towards you! Yay! Alright, so let's see what all cars do we have inside here. This is the door of the truck. Let's open the door. Wow, a lot of cars. Let's see them one by one. A red one. It goes like this. Well, this is fun. And this is one car. Let's see the other one. Well, this one goes really fast. Like this. Zoom. And that's going in reverse now. Well, that's two cars. Now the next one is such a different looking car. Wow, it's impressive. Look at this one. This one looks like a race car. It's all closed. Or maybe some futuristic car with advanced technology. I like this one. Let's put it here for now. This beautiful yellow car. Goes like this. It's really fast. Vroom, vroom. Yeah. Let's put them back in the truck. 1, 2. The gray car. 3. The red one. My personal favorite. 4. And finally, the yellow car. Goes right in, all 5 cars. Let's close the door. Alright, the truck is ready to go to the showroom. Alright, the truck is on its way. Yay! Happy and safe driving! See you later! Hello friends! Now you have an idea what are we gonna do, isn't it? Alright, so let's get started. This is a stunt track truck. Let's open it up and look inside. What do we have here? Cars. And a stunt track truck. Yay! I like it already. There are tracks, cars, that's the front. It looks beautiful. The front of the truck moves. Let's open it from the side to look into it. Alright, this is a pack of stickers. These look like interesting tracks. Alright, let's put it back up. Here's a pack of stickers. Let's open it up. What have we got here? Alright, we have different kinds of stickers for board signs, for decoration. These are tracks, launchers. Let's join both of them here with the slots given. Make sure it's steady and fix it on the truck. This is a giant loop track. Now this goes here in these two loops, makes a stand. The elastic, this goes in here. We put this blade into this slot here, like this, and the elastic goes around, and let's stuck it on both the sides, like this. This is a launcher. Place it on the ground. Fix it on the truck like this. Now let's see what we have here. This is a signboard. Gas station dispenser. Here's the barrier to stop the cars. It goes up and down. This is a barricade. These are the 4 window stickers. That's for parking. These are arrows and some more signs. Let's pick up these 4 and put it right there. Keep the cars aside for a bit. Here it goes. Window 1. Window 2. And what we see here is usually what we see out of the windows, the buildings and the exterior. Window 3. And the 4th window. Isn't it exciting? I like to look out when I'm traveling. That's a car wash sign. Let's stick it right there, like this. Here. Now let's put up the parking sign right here on the signboard. The parking sign. Let's put it right here, because that's where the cars need to be parked. There's some nice grass. Around the signpost. And this one with the cross lines on the barrier right here. And here we have the fuel sign for the gas station dispenser right here. Another one goes on the second one. That's where you can fuel up. And these are the warning stickers because these are flammable. So these go here on the dispensers. And the arrow marks for the tracks. That's the direction for the cars. Going in, coming out. Now, on the other side of the truck, we'll put the sticker to decorate it. It looks beautiful, isn't it? Let's place the cars here. And one car goes right on the top. We can place the car here. Move it inside. With the launcher, we can launch the car. We pulled it first, then press it. And the car goes along the interesting round tracks and flies away. It is again with the second car. Yay! This is so much fun! This is good stunt! Launch this one! The cars are ready to be on the track. Again! All three of them! Yay! 1, 2, 3, press! Zoop! Wow, this is fun! Let's pack it out. This is the amazing Stunt Tracks truck. So have fun, friends! Happy stunt tracking!